Barks Alpha here, reporting for Newshound from the beach at sunset with your 24-hour crypto news roundup. On today's bulletin, insiders bet on Iran strikes. Iranian crypto outflows surge 700%. The Aave saga escalates. Turkey targets crypto market with new tax proposal. And strategy strikes again. Let's dig. On-chain analytics firm Bubble Maps has identified a cluster of 6 cryptocurrency wallets that collectively earned approximately $1.2 million by accurately predicting the timing of U.S. military strikes against Iran. The activity took place on the decentralized prediction platform Polymarket, where traders wagered on whether a strike would occur by February 28, 2026. The strikes, which were carried out on that exact date, resulted in significant payouts for the cluster of suspiciously well-timed bets. Investigation into the blockchain data revealed that the flagged wallets were newly created and funded just 24 hours before the military operation. One notable trader, Magami Man, reportedly secured a profit of nearly $500,000 from a bet placed only 71 minutes before the news of the strikes became public. At the time of the wager, the market estimated the probability of such an event at only 17%. The suspicious timing has led to calls for greater oversight of prediction markets. Following the strikes, outgoing transaction volumes on Nobitex, Iran's largest cryptocurrency exchange, skyrocketed by 700%. According to a report by the Daily Hodl citing data from blockchain analytics firm Elliptic, this massive spike likely represents significant capital flight as citizens seek to move assets out of the country. Nobitex faced similar outflow surges earlier this year, particularly during the domestic protests and internet blackouts of January. The exchange, which processed over $7.2 billion in transactions last year, has become a critical tool for those attempting to circumvent international sanctions. However, while crypto offers a path around traditional banking restrictions, Elliptic emphasized that the inherent transparency of blockchain tech allows full traceability with high precision. In other news, the dissension in the Aave ranks increased following the passage of the Aave will win funding proposal. The proposal cleared its initial snapshot on March the 1st with a narrow 52.58% majority vote in favor. However, following a period of accusations over wasteful spending, Mark Zeller, the founder of the Aave Chain Initiative, challenged the legitimacy of the outcome. Zeller alleges that the result was unfairly swayed by approximately 233,000 tokens linked directly to Aave Labs, including a major delegation from the co-founder, Stani Kulachov. According to Zeller's analysis, the proposal would have failed significantly if these insider votes were excluded. The controversy centers around $42.5 million in stablecoins and $75,000 AVE tokens requested to fund Aave Labs operations. In return, Aave Labs promised to redirect 100% of its future product revenue to the DAO treasury. This dispute underscores tensions over funding transparency and the balance of decentralized power. Next up, Turkey's Ministry of Treasury and Finance has introduced a new proposal to implement a 10% tax on cryptocurrency transactions. This move comes as the nation's annual crypto trading volume reached a record-breaking $200 billion. Government officials stated that the tax is intended to provide a regulated framework for the rapidly expanding digital asset sector. If passed, the legislation would represent one of the most direct tax interventions in the global crypto market to date. The parliament is expected to debate the specifics in the coming weeks, including whether the tax will apply to every trade or only to realized capital gains. Last but not least, Michael Saylor's strategy has acquired an additional 3,015 Bitcoin for around $204 million. This acquisition brings the company's total holdings to 720,737 BTC, representing over 3.4% of the total 21 million supply. Despite current market prices resulting in approximately $7.2 billion in unrealized losses, the company continues to double down on its hyper-Bitcoinization roadmap, funding these purchases through the sale of Class A common shares and preferred stock. The massive cash, currently valued at almost $48 billion, solidifies Strategy's position as the world's largest corporate holder of Bitcoin. That's it for today, dogs. Remember to share with the pack, keep your noses to the ground, and your ears pricked so you never miss a beat. Reporting for Newshound, this is Barks Alpha. Yes, I do.